And what is a special day today? Because we are celebrating our journey or our service and powerful bond we share as a Rotarian. Rotarian is a huge family. And many of you know, all around the world, we have 1.2 million our family members. Now, don't forget, we also have 250,000 our road tractor. So think about it. So this is going amazing. There is no organization has a member around the world at that kind of quantity. We're talking about the quality. Quality of the Rotarian is so honest, humble, and always looking to share that knowledge and wanted to help. And this is world record for 7 years in a row. Our Rotary International became in #1 check and balance. Whatever we donate is we donate to the public, the humanity around the world. And last seminar, the one I have attended, I heard it is going not the million, is it billions of dollars that Rotary International have and donating around the world. And I'm going to be talking to you in my second half speech when I'm going to contribute the award. So, first thing, the one you have seen here, the one I always mention, what is this? The one you see is always the magic of Rotary. This is very important to understand and know. You can see behind over there a yellow wheel. What is that? Many of people came in the first time, and I really appreciate it. Those are my friend and my future Rotarian. Those are my guests. They are looking to induct it today, if it's possible. Make it up for that. You know, I celebrate here and have a Rotarian today. What about that? So I'm going to give you very brief for those that are first time joining us. Our Rotary recognized by that wheel, the one you see behind, and has a lot of meaning. That the meaning is rotate. Every time rotate, it generates, energize someone in the world. And the second thing is called is a theme. Every year, the Rotary International, when he's come as a president, he received the theme. And you can see the next sign over there. You might not see the 3. Past, you see what present, and now is the present one. So we have this theme is received by the Rotary International. Everyone received differently. Some of them hope, some of them imagine, but when my turn come, they gave me this magic. What? I'm not a magician. So what I asked the President International, the one you see the picture on my right is Stephanie. When I met her, I said, why you have this magic? And how you are going to teach and what I'm going to do the magic? It's a Syed, I will tell you. Very simple. And she said, my club assigned me to do the project in Dominican Republic. And my project was to distribute the filter. And you're not going to believe in these days, it's still around the world, the people do not have the clean water. Anyway, it's still. So what the people used to do, they go to the pond, bring the water, boil it, clean it, and use it. So she said, I went to the home where there's 7 person in the family, and I put this filter and put the dirty water one end, and the clean water came out. And there is a young man was looking at it, and he hold her sleeve, he said, lady, show me the magic. How can we clean the water? And this is the word, she said, is stuck in my head. He said, I did not do the magic. Magic is done by this small filter when cleaning the water. Then after she explained, he said, when you go, talk about these colors. The color she has picked, and you see the leading color is orange. And she explained me what is meant by orange. Orange has a power to connect 2 big seasons. All of you remember when the fall come and it's all the trees turn this color. And people say, oh my God, I'm missing, we're going to lose the summer. But don't forget, right behind is a beautiful winter, which is going to bring again the new life. And then she said, other color is a leading color. The blue, another color, they are patient, people listening, humble, and all of this. Yellow color is always define the dignity, humbleness, and that's why we have here. After this, I also wanted to share one more very important thing, which is people know. The Rotary is a one main vision. And everybody know his name was, what was his name? Paul Harris. Yes, Paul Harris. Paul Harris was born in 1886. And soon he grew up, very young man, he lost his both parents. And his grandfather took him to Vermont. And then after he graduated, became himself as an attorney, and came back to Chicago. He has many, many places traveled and had different kind of job. But professionally, he was an attorney. When he started his practice, he find, and like today, everybody has so many things to say against the government. Government is supposed to do this, government is supposed to do this, and that, all those kind of things. Same thing, but he has different mentality. He said, government cannot do everything. We have to do something. And those 1886, think about it. The most important thing, the one we needed, wasn't available. And what was it? It's a public toilet. Can you imagine how important is that? So he stood up and gathered with his friend, and he found three good friends to understand him, listen to him, and they are professional. One of the main is the foreman for the coal mine. 1800, the gold is coal. Because over at that time, the coal everybody using for heating, for everything you say, the coal mine. So his name was Gustavo. He's the one later on, his advice to have this logo. Then his other friend is also Ram. Another one, they are professional. They all migrated from UK, from England. And they say, what do you want to do, Paul? He said, I wanted to have some kind of organization. And this is, we all four together can build leadership. We're not looking for money. We're not looking for fortune. So he said, how did we start it? He said, let me start and work on making a public toilet. This is their first project. And soon he started. People start pouring in. And then 1905, the first Rotary Club became the Rotary Club of Chicago. This is the history. And after that, one after the other, one after the other, all over the world is Rotary expanded. So this is the Rotary history. I will go more, but I don't have the time because too much to cover in very small time of period. Now, other thing, the one everyone is received and say is about us. So my theme for this year, everyone remember, is together. No matter how powerful I am as a district governor, no matter how much money I spend, no matter how much I can do, but one man, one person cannot do anything. You have to have a big, big, big hand all around if you want to do something. Later on you will see my team, my leaders, my advisor. And my theme was together. And together remind us to the strength and it depend on the unity. And we are alone cannot do anything. So this is the way my few words from bottom of my heart. Welcome, welcome, and welcome. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.